You've seen them on TikTok, but how can you know if these tricks are real? Don't worry, we're doing all the heavy lifting and figuring out how to do this stuff once and for all. You okay there, Hannah? Buckle up for challenge number 1. Huh, that's nice. Oh, hey, Melanie. Hold on tight, okay? Can't you keep your legs still? Ready, and lift! Okay, we need a different approach. Just give me one foot this time. That's my shirt, Hannah! Uh-oh! Okay, I'm starting from up here. But how do we hold each other up? Just hold on to my hands. Come on, stay steady. This definitely isn't working. I feel good about this next try. Hang on tight, girl. And we've made contact. So this is what flying feels like, huh? You doing okay up there? Hannah? No time to talk. I've got to save lives here. Hannah! I can't hold you much longer! She's really gone, isn't she? Please, can you help me? My arms are about to give out! I got her! And we're coming in for a landing! Sweet dreams, Hannah. Okay, I gotcha. You gonna be okay? Alrighty then. Can you guess what's next? Whoa, that's some house of cards. Just one more step. Yes! I can't believe it! That thing's sweet, Melanie. Why don't you let the real pro in? Just gotta get myself centered here. No, Hannah, don't do it! Guess my job's all done here. That was a major fail. Want to practice? Put an open bottle of soda upside down on the card. Once it's balanced, build up the nerve to pull it out. Go! Yes! Let's take things up a notch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I'm on fire right now. It's time for some double trouble. And I'm not even gonna look. And pull! Can you believe it? Think you're super cool, huh? We'll see. Wish me luck, Joker. Hey, you're not supposed to spill. But I'm willing to try this again. Much better. Just one swift pull is all it takes. Third time's a charm? Come on, quick chop! Clean up on aisle 5. Ew, this is the one. Rats. Maybe glass was a bad idea. Just gotta sneak up on it. There's enough soda here to feed a family of 10. Okay, no more playing around. This time, we're using Kevin. That's for my lucky deck. Read it and weep, Hannah. Maybe this is my lucky try. Here I go. Yeah! See? Kevin's my good luck charm. Kevin, huh? Whatever, Hannah. Another challenge coming right up. Like my new glasses? My horn's way better, see? First, we gotta set everything up. Think you're ready for this? Let's get rolling. Can you pull without tearing? How's Melanie so good at this? Tear-free's the way to be. All this rolling makes a girl thirsty. Fine, we can do it again. No! This is so unfair. Am I pulling it too hard? And that glass is heavier than the last. Seriously? Gotta find just the right spot. This toilet paper hates me. There's no way Melanie went through all of those. Look at all these vacuums on sale. All right, where's the toilet paper? How can we be out already? Want a sip of my juice? I guess so. Girls! Was that Mom? She's so gonna kill us. Brace yourself for another lecture. Ready for what's up next? Think you can do this, Hannah? Oh, I'm sure of it. The trick is all about proper form. Gotta go at just the right angle. Arms back, and up. Impressed? You hear that screaming? It's coming from under here. My knees! That floor was pretty hard, huh? I'm not making that mistake. We're gonna go chill now. I'm not subjecting my knees to that torture. Can't have dust or dirt slowing me down. There we go. And kneel. Definitely need more padding. There. Not quite cushy enough. This ought to do it. Yep, that's it. Set the position. Pull the arms back. Ready to watch some magic? Oh, this is harder than I thought. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Oh no. This can't be happening.
Oh boy. This is most definitely all your fault. So gross. Any guesses on what kind of meat this is? Last round coming right up. Uh-oh. The Queen of Pop is in the building. And boy, does she have some killer moves. Where'd she learn all that anyway? If you like this, you'll love this kick in the hat trick. Well, that's new. Thanks for the new accessory. It's cute, right? That was supposed to be my move. Okay, here we go. And kick! At least we know I'd be good at kickball. Interesting choice. A crown? Really? Merry Kickmas! Yeehaw! And… did you see that? Practice makes perfect, huh, Hannah? Hannah? Can you breathe under there? Guess I got a little carried away. Did these TikTok hacks blow your mind? Which one are you dying to try first? Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out.